What is up, everybody? Raider Actual here, and right now I am modeling my 99th Infantry Division uniform. They had fought in World War II. They fought near the end of the war from 1944 to 1945, which they are mostly famous fighting with the 101st Airborne during the Battle of Remagen. But that's not what we're here today. That's not why I'm here. Today, we are here to open up the 75th anniversary of the D-Day invasion, Evike's box of awesomeness. I'm still shocked. I've been waiting for this. I've been waiting for this for a while now. I mean, I got one of the 75 cents. Evike told me that I got it, but there was one issue. One thing that was with one of the things. They wouldn't tell me which one of the sets there were. It was all World War II weapons. I know, I'm really not that good at introducing, but bear with me here. So, what happened was that they told me that every single slot that had like 2 items, but one of them was out of stock. So they said they were going to put in a bunch of stuff that would match on what I would get. And I measured this box right here, and it is 35 freaking pounds. 35. Just this little thing is 35 pounds. I'm shocked. If I'm guessing on what it could be, either the M1 Garand, a Thompson, a grease gun, an MP40, or maybe a German sidearm, the Luger, the P08, or I don't think it would be it's definitely not the BAR or the M1928 30 cal. That would be a hell of a lot bigger. So, without further ado, let's unbox this sucker. And I hope I have it facing up. Alright, I think I got that open. Yep, here we go. Okay, so, yeah, you know what? I kind of feel like doing this on the ground, so you guys can see what is in there. So, I'm going to fix the camera a little bit here. Alright, there we go. Oh my, that could have been bad. Let me fix this other, like right there. Bear with me here. I'm sorry. I need to get I need to buy like a giant freaking tripod. I need to buy one of my own. I only have a tiny one that would put on my video camera. Get that cord out of the way. Does that look good? Yeah, that looks good. Okay, so let's see what we got here. Oh, and also before, I'm sorry, I know you guys are waiting for this, but I want to say this is 75 years ago, June 6, 1944. Great men, practically maybe the best men, stormed the beaches of Utah, Omaha, Gold, Juneau, and Sword to rid the world of Nazi tyranny, and I salute you. Alright, so let's see what we got. Oh my god. No frickin'. That's the receipt. I don't need to see that. Okay, so what we got here right now. Oh, we got EMG invisible BBs. There are 3 of them right here. They are, what are they? 28 gram BBs. I've always wanted 28 grams, and EMG is always really good when it comes to their... Holy shit. No way. Oh, they sent me an Evike.com shirt? That's really cool. No way. No. You gotta be joking. Thompson mag... Oh my god. No way. Oh, I got five Thompson magazines. What are these, high caps? Oh, they're M1928 Thompson 110 round mid caps. These things right here. Put these right here. Oh, look at this. Oh, dude. This is, Black Owl Thompson, mag pouches. Like, they have, like, I heard, like, one of my friends carries a Thompson submachine gun during our reenactments. Oh my god, this is so cool. Oh, what's this? What? Oh, this is a medic bag. Look at this. Look at that. I want to open this. Where's my knife? Yeah, I want to open this stuff up before I get to the main item, which I still can't. I'm pretty sure you guys can already see what it is. I'm pretty sure you guys can already tell what that is. I can't freaking believe that that just God oh, this thing actually has some. It's like a very original fabric. Oh, more bagging. What's all? Oh, that's. Oh, dude, that is just sick. This thing is awesome looking. This is a medical pouch that medics use. Wow. This thing is cool looking, man. I want to feel these. Here, I'm going to put all this stuff right over here. Oh, wow. This is definitely original webbing. I could put a belt right through this. Like right now, what I'm wearing right now is my M1 Garand. I'm a rifleman. This is a rifleman loadout, but I can buy like another piece of webbing that I could put on there. Wow. I mean, you really can't find stuff like this anymore, unless it was actually reproducted by like a major skills hander or something like that. I want to see what these mags. I wonder if these mags can. Oh yeah, let's. All right, so this mag has it's a plastic feel to it. I want to see if it'll fit in one of these things here. What do you know? It does. So this should be good. I could just be able to pull this out, put it into the Thompson. So that's cool. That is up. I can't believe this, man. Let's get to the big money item here. So, like, alright, so you can already see right here, oh, it's already open. Like here, let me get the box out of the way right there. So, right there. But I also want to check out this Evike shirt, too. If they sent me a shirt, I mean, I'm wondering if it's going to be in my right size. A large. Oh, dude. Evike.com, and look at the back. It has all the airsoft companies on there. Oh, that is awesome. Thank you, Evike. Big shout out to you. Thank you. Now, let me read what this says here. Thompson Model 1928 Chicago version. Now, this is the gangster. Oh, this is like the gangster version of the Thompson. But American Marines carried this into the Pacific, like this specific model at the very beginning of the war until they were replaced with the M1A1 Thompson. 465 feet per second. I'm pretty sure that's probably going to be like with 12 gauge, probably with 12 gram BBs. Wow. Yeah, why am I looking at the box? Let's open this thing up. Oh, wow. Look at this. Look at this bait. Look at this. It comes with the instructions. I'll take a look at that. Wow. Oh, it comes with a high-end battery and a wall charger that comes with it. So I got another battery. I need batteries because I only have 2, so I'm pretty sure I can trust this one either way. Is it already open? Oh, it's already open. Let's get this. So let's get this thing all opened up. Oh, alright, so first thing with the battery right here is a wall charger. Usually they don't say to trust wall chargers, but I really don't see what the problem is, so I'll give that a try, I guess. Alright, so put it like that. Oh, it comes with a sling. But what I heard, it only has like one sling port right here. Maybe 2? No idea. As it comes with another sling right there, so that's pretty cool. So right here's it's an AEG high-end 1100 8-port small port battery right here. Actually, I'm gonna take the battery out, put that right there. So. Oh, a drum mag? Oh, cool. Okay, dude, this is like a big chunk of, this thing's like a chunk of metal. So like, oh, so this is how you, so that's how you, you crank the, like this is a high cap. It's a magazine Type L Thompson submachine gun, 450 rounds. Now, originally, like the actual Thompson can actually put like up to like 100, 50 to 100 bullets in here. So that, what? Ooh, oh my, don't want to break it. And now for the big baby. No, dude, this can't be real. This can't be real wood. Wow, dude, this. Dude, this thing has like a. This thing has like a really good feel to it. Wow. So like it has like a dummy cocking handle right here, but this is where your hop up is. Yeah, so this is the hop up. Wow, man. So like, yeah, this definitely feels like real wood. So let's see how it is with the magazine. Oh, wrong way. I need to get off the back of my feet. Oh, it also it comes with a cleaning rod. I definitely need that. So how do I put this sucker in? Oh. So, wow, look at this baby. Oh man, this thing looks beautiful. Very good feel, full metal construction. Wow, dude. Okay, so right here's the fire rate. Safe, fire. I'm always like, I think it's like this on the real Thompson. Oh, so what's this part right here? Oh, I think this is the magazine release. Yeah, here we go. Now I want to see if these other magazines will work on this one. Oh, it does. It does work. It is compatible, so. Oh, that is awesome, man. Oh, I love the feel of this thing, dude. So, wow. I don't know what to say. this thing looks awesome. Total awesomeness, man. Wow. So I'm gonna put the original back on. Like from Home Alone and all that. Now, well, a little bit of history. This was used by police and also gangbangers, crime lords, bank robbers, murderers. They used these during the 1930s, and then the United States Army put them into service right before Pearl Harbor. So, dude, this. Oh God, this feel, man. Well, I'm not gonna do a weapon review right now because it is raining like hell outside. You really can't hear it, but it's really wet out. So I'm gonna put that all right over here. So I must say, guys, Evike. That was a really good score. I really enjoy you guys sending this to me. I am so freaking happy. The weapons, the top 5 weapons that I love in World War II and here from number 5, the MP40, number 4, the MG42, the BAR, the M1. Actually, no, the Thompson's my second favorite, and the number 1 favorite's the M1 Garand, but that might change. This baby might change my mind, actually. So, I must say, I got a really good score on this. I'm really happy. So, oh, here are the BBs. There's the other mag. Here, I'm gonna... Where the other mags go? So, I'm gonna do a... these magazines are King Arms. Yeah, King Arms. EMG 28 gram BBs. How many are there here exactly? Does it? How many are here? Does it say? I'm guessing maybe 2,000, maybe like 2,000-3,000 rounds, maybe. I have no idea. I have no idea. But I must say, I got a really good... Oh, I gotta get rid of this camera thing right here. So I must say, I really got a good score here. I must say thank you. So, I hope you all enjoyed today's video. Subscribe for more content. Leave a like down below. Leave your comments down in the comment section. And, this video is dedicated to the men, 2,300 American soldiers who were killed or wounded during the Battle of Normandy, during Operation Overlord. And we also can't forget the British and the Canadians for playing their part in the invasion as well. And thank you to the best generation of men who sacrificed themselves to prevent Nazi tyranny from taking over the whole entire world. So, thank you all for watching today's video. I hope you all enjoyed, and I will see you all on the battlefield. This is Raider Actual, signing off.